are you always open? And we're live. Shit, we've been live. My bad. Hi. So it is Monday morning. It is May. The other one. It is May 28th, 2018. It is 8:26 in the morning. Yeah, I've actually been up for a few hours. I've been hiding from this. I have no idea what we're gonna do right now. Still trying to figure that out. We have a couple of things. Not much has changed since last night. Last night I was working on, I guess I can show you. I was working on the, rigging and animating the paper. Specifically what I wanted the paper to do when you, click. I was looking for how the world draws when you're in a combo level. I figured I would solve it for the biggest combo levels first and then work my way back down to the smaller stages. Then I realized that might be a bad idea, but basically, like, what happens when you click this? How does this actually look? That sort of thing. Sort of what I'm looking at right now. But it brought up the point that I, like, don't even know what this UI is, and I feel like that should tie into it somewhat. And after that, I realized that was going to be really hard, and I didn't quite know what I wanted to do. So I stopped doing that, and I started up something else that I'm doing for Autodesk, which is making a series of promotional videos. I figured I'd make 3 videos, one for each of the characters. That's just a time lapse of my Twitch channel. So I've kind of like started on one for Quat here. This is just a time lapse of me making Quat. I have to do that because that would be good. Because Autodesk will promote these videos if I make them. And you know, like, promotions are good. This is still very work in progress. This is terrible. I kept working on that this morning. And then I thought maybe I should blow off the stream and just keep working on that. And then I thought, that's shitty. So I'm streaming instead. We have a couple options for what we can work on today. I can keep working on this. I don't want to, like, stare at the screen and try to figure out UI on stream, because I feel like that would be really boring to watch. And also, I feel weird being watched doing that. I kind of want to keep working on this, but we got profiling work, which will not be fun for you. You'll be watching me read documentation and try to figure out how to profile. Maybe that will be amusing, I don't know. We could do that. Because I do gotta figure out why my frame rate's so low all of a sudden. Frame rate not good. This could just be a day where we fix frame rate. I don't know. It'll be an ongoing struggle, but there's loads of bugs here to fix. Let's do that. Like, this isn't smooth, is it? It doesn't feel smooth. Where to begin? No, I should probably close this. You can't see that, sorry. So choppy. Alright, so, you wanna Google how to profile? You wanna watch me Google how to profile? Hey, Port Punky, what's up, man? Yeah, fuck it. Save your profile. And we try to fix the frame rate a little bit, maybe. This could end in failure. I don't know what I'm doing here. This will be fun. This would be the streamer where you read documentation, poor Ponky. Oh, this is a really big base pass. Custom depth. Yeah, that makes sense. There should be no light. There's like one light. And nothing should have collision or cast shadows. God, I am so out of my depth right now. Back check. Well, base pass and pre-pass are not really helping me here. What is HCB? Occlusion calling. The real front end tool, I thought that was gone. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself here. So this pre-pass thing is probably the thing that is bad. I'm sorry, the base pass. What's that? Shift, comma. Not for them. Wow, their base pass is tiny. It's all gray for them. Oh. The gray is the part you're not using. Never mind. Yeah, okay, so this isn't supposed to be this big, apparently. Based on, I don't know, stuff. So... I guess I'll Google this. Hey, Polydolphin, welcome back, man. Today we read documentation. It's a good day, man. This is gonna be a real fun, real barrel of laughs kind of stream. Buckle up, kids. It's documentation day. Static. eBase. Fucking Jesus. Stop beeping at me. Pass. Draw. List type. Alright. Good. Profile the base pass. Okay. Oh yeah, you're Fox too. That's cool. Wait, why do you get more stuff than me? I only got the scene. Oh shit. Oh, there's more stuff. Oh, I see. Cool. That just breaks it down. Weird. Okay, whatever. Yeah, he has a problem with it and it's 3.7. I got a problem with it and it's like 27 milliseconds. I feel like that's probably not good. Maybe. Let's just poke shit. So right now that's 27.97 milliseconds, right? This isn't a persistent level. Bullshit. Oh, there it goes. Oh god, why did I just put everything everywhere? Oh, for son of a... It's just a theory that this is doing a lot of damage. First, check out perforce. Yeah, man, it's optimized now. We're done. Fucking fixed it, man. I just want to see, I want to compare and contrast the frame rate with and without those particle effects that I added. Okay, so right now, the situation is this. How do I get this to update? With the scene taking 43 milliseconds, 43.55. Control Shift, comma. Okay. So yeah, so we're looking at like 5 milliseconds for the effects. Seems bad. Not as bad as I thought though. There's something else. Or I thought it would be worse. There's something else that's real bad. Could just be all the shaders. You know, let's just start optimizing the shaders and see. Because there's probably just crap I need to pull out anyway. So let's just do it. How do I want to optimize this? Like, this is just a goddamn mess. I've not given much care into, I don't know, anything really. This is all the materials in the game. The most common ones would be the tiling. Not masked. In fact, I'm not sure you're used anymore. Catwalk, eh? This is such a simple material compared to the others. God, don't want to get rid of it. I'd like to get rid of this, but... So the problem is the scribble's not just used here, it's also used for some of these little ones. This material is pretty complicated. I don't yeah, this is needed for the combo levels. Don't want to get rid of any of this. I just read that polydolphin. I don't know how I missed that earlier. Alright, so these materials, this material is not excessive at all. Check it. It's super simple. See? Not the worst. Don't know if I'm still using that is two tones thing. But I mean, these are very few instructions, comparatively. This shouldn't be used anywhere. this is the reason I'm getting that weird effect on the paper. So like 16-bit pixel art game. I don't know, man, it's not really my aesthetic. I'm not even getting it anymore. I used to get a weird effect in the paper. Is it because the light didn't turn? There's a bug I need to fix there. No, the weird effect is gone. Qu'est-ce que c'est? From the level block color, huh? Yeah, okay. So if not used there, where is this even used? Look, whatever the point is. The paper never needs the weird cartoony highlight stuff. I don't think. You're the one that uses it. Yeah, you don't need weird cartoony highlight stuff. Hey Rolita, it's going good. I am wild. I'm just gonna clean up shit and hope it fixes my frame rate. That's where I am. I'm doing a desperation play here. Look, if I just start deleting things I'm not using anyway out of the materials, that'll help. That's my current theory. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna have to convert to making a 16-bit, a 16-bit pixel art game. Pixel. That's some new shit. Port Punky's found a way to take pixel art into quantum computing. It's making some kind of new shit over there. There's 4.5D game. Alright. Like this is not even close to the worst material I've seen. Just throwing that out there. Should be fine. I think I've seen worse. Christ, I should show you the shader we used for the ocean and the flame and the flood. That thing was like easily 4 times this. And Stephen Alexander knows how to make optimized materials, so it's probably cleaner. It's probably something I don't understand. Like, I know it's better if you have a scalar as long as possible and don't use vectors until later. There's all these rules that I don't know. If you're good at this, you can do better shit. Well, this is just not being used. Cool. It's gone now. I'm not even sure if deleting nodes that aren't being used helps. I actually don't know that. But you know, it'll be cleaner. So, whatever. Loops and conditionals? I don't use any actual if-then. I do use if-thens. Really? Is that a bad thing? I don't have any loops. I don't think they let you do that. As far as I know. I mean, if there's anything to fix up here, that would be good. This is a function that's in a lot of things. This is a thing that's moving. This is in a lot of the materials. It's the thing that moves everything down. I'm just, the way I'm moving the world down, if you're not in the level, is I'm just in the vertex shader, like adding a certain amount of Z depth. So take the object position, get just the Z, subtract this number, multiply by 0.5. Why am I doing this? Sure. Oh, right. This is just for the opening cinematic. This is the actual moving things down. Get the center of the level. Figure out how far that is in the Z. Wait a minute. Yeah. This is a Z. Figure out how the delta between that and 1,000. Multiply by -1 and add that. If you're obstructing the camera. Interesting. I could probably Google, like, there's probably UE4 specific things I should know. Because I assume you're talking just in general. When a shader gets an if-then, it usually executes both results, and in the end drops one result. It's not a huge issue, but if you have lots of them, it makes your shader grindy. Maybe. I mean, no, I'm sure you're right. I just don't have any if-thens that I know of. I have a lot of adding shit, and shit tons of lerps. It's my usual thing. Multiply, add, lerp. And then I use this a ton. Use this everywhere. This is a function, like this is a generic function I got online that'll make sure things are, textures are in a certain place in world space. That's how I'm doing a lot of the tiling. Which maybe I should make more specific versions of this just for each case, right? Like right now it has a series of outputs, so there's a lot of things you could do with it. But in any given instance, like in this, all I need is the output from Z texture non-tiling. And I don't need a lot of this other stuff, so I mean, maybe it's worth... Hold on a second, let's see if we've made any dent at all. Probably not, but I just want to know for sure that we're not. Control Shift comma 66. Ugh. Somehow we've gained significant. Good can. I don't like you. $49. This is highly okay. I need like a snapshot of time because this is just not gonna work. Whoops. Alright, how do I get like a... add like an average over time or some shit? A full early Z pass costs more draw calls. I guess if I do this, I won't know if it's helping or not. data. This is what I should print screen. Okay. So our average is 65.76. Oh, it stays up here too. That's cute. How do I make it not be there? Guess I don't. That's just there now. That's our life. Okay. So what do we want to do first? Could randomly change this thing and see if that helps. On early Z pass. What does that mean? Actually in the code for this. Project settings rendering. It's already being done. Okay, that made no difference, whatever it is I just did. Actually, let's not even worry about that. Not very much to. Yeah, I use this everywhere. If there's a way to make it cheaper, let's do it. Because all I ever really need for them, usually, I need Z texture and Z texture non-tiling. There's a couple times I need the other stuff, but it's rare. And I need... Okay. By the way... offset world and Z should be in the functions. Move it there. Aligned texture. See. Texture object. Texture object. Texture scale. Texture offset. I'm afraid to delete more than that. What are you doing, Unreal? Freaking me out, man. What the hell is going on? Hey, very much. Are the materials you define in UE4 actual shaders, or are they more like massive data graphs that involve multiple shaders to be created for it to be... what? Hey, Xscrap. Did you save today? Unreal autosaves. See, it's gonna autosave in 6 seconds. Hey, Attack Button. Long time no see, man. Oh, shit. This is, Who are you Mohica? No. Who are you? You just Attack Button? Do I just know you from Twitch? I just recognized the name and went a little bit dumb. Thanks, Burpuke. So we're profiling my friend. You're on a 9-hour trip. Where are you heading, Micah? Okay. Material functions are new in UE4, by the way. We used to just have to copy paste this crap everywhere. Which is probably not ideal. Texture size, texture, scale. Shouldn't have gotten rid of that rotation. Turns out I need it. God damn it. Thanks, Attack Button. Terms of render target stuff in depth. Good morning, Tom. Why am I just intermittently freezing? What the fuck is going on? OBS is spiking. It's not it. Weird. Weird. Okay, now you have your rotation back. Again, what is this? What is freezing? Curious. Is it happening? Is it unreal? But it happened a minute ago with just everything. Oh my god, something's up. I feel like my machine is rendering. It is. After Effects, what are you doing? It's not even open. After Effects is eating 50% of my memory and it's closed. Oh, that's weird. It's a ghost in the machine. Oh, that's right, attack button. I forgot you were my first sub. That was cool. That was terrible. Tell me you should feel bad. I demand you feel shame. It's definitely a spike whenever I try to do stuff here. Oh my god, what is going on? It's not unreal, I don't think. It's suspicious it happens whenever I do anything in the material editor, though. It isn't. It's just everywhere. Chromium host executable. It's that thing where Autodesk starts. There's some like licensing thing with Autodesk, and every now and then it, like every other week or so, I don't know what the hell it does. I forgot about that. Let's see if it stops now. Well, no, Autodesk was the culprit. Oh yeah, it's like night and day. No, shit, lag spike again. I'm hitting it. System interrupts. What is it? It's OBS. It's impossible. I've used OBS before. I thought we were profiling the game. Today we're profiling, I guess, everything else. Service host diagnostic service. Just don't do whatever you're doing right now. OBS gets jammed up sometimes. Needs more fiber. Common problem. That's OBS. Well, I can't turn that off because then I can't stream. I'm just randomly hitting 100% CPU. Doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason to it. Guys, I might want to reboot my machine. I didn't reboot last night because I was rendering. And it might just not... I might just really want a bit of shut-eye. Might just need to be restarted. I'm going to finish up on this material. We're going to assess the situation. I hear there's if-then statements you are worried about. Let's Google that while we're here. Before material performance if-then. Shear complexity. So, if I'm reading this correctly, rather than this built-in if statement, make a custom node with 2 inputs. Greater than less than or equal. Oh, for fuck's sake. Sorry. I need to reboot this machine. And then oh god. I have to write that out. Okay, I'll look into that in a sec. Because the other thing is we won't be able to A/B test if this is making a difference. If I change several things at once, then I won't know which thing I changed fixed shit. Right, yeah, I'm gonna reboot my machine, because I didn't reboot it since, I don't know, like 2 days ago. So, I'll be back in like 3 minutes. Just give me a sec, guys. Bye.